while. So today I came out, found the puddle on the ground of oil, followed by another puddle, and I'm waiting for it to do it again, so I actually started to bike up. It's been sitting still for the last 2 days, so today. So, I honestly don't know at this point. I might not ride it for the rest of the season now because of the oil leak, and I want to say, I don't know how long my bike was in the shop last time. I think it was 2-3 weeks, and ever since I got it back, I've been riding like crazy. So I've had issues, I want to say, with the mapping, and I kind of didn't want to take it in, but now it kind of looks like I'm going to have to take it in because I got an oil leak. Like, it definitely has to go in. Thing is, sometimes when I start the bike up, it's a little lag of when it's giving power as well. So we're gonna figure this out. I don't think I'll be riding it anymore for the rest of the season, but I wish you guys would have seen this honestly before I moved it. That's another spot, but I had flipped this over and I had dropped it. So now I'm just trying to figure this out. But yeah, it's definitely leaking oil. So I don't know if I can show you guys that I got a full thing of oil or not. Let's see. You look right there. See the oil moving. Oh, this damn thing is heavy. But looks like it's going back to the shop for the rest of the season. I got some other mods I want to do, but it's not looking so well for right now. I just want to get it cleaned up and take it back to the shop. I don't know what the last time, I gotta look on YouTube to see the last time I showed you guys this thing, but it's a little dirty too. Where's all this shit from? I ride through some dirt. I don't know, man. Also, I got a new jacket as well from Ducati. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Ducati. But yeah, I want to get this thing all cleaned up, take it into the shop. I don't know what the issue is, but it's definitely leaking oil. And it's only when it's on and when I'm revving. I don't know if it's, I don't know if you see in here, it looks like a little drop of oil there, if I'm not mistaken. I can't be wrong. That looks like oil. Yeah, that's definitely oil. It's on the lean, so let's check the other side and see. Nah, it's nothing on this side. But it's definitely leaking for somewhere in there. Getting that little drop right there. So, I don't know. We shall see. Shall see. Let me go ahead and show you guys the fender eliminator kit that I got on here. Left, right.